Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Gosfield North Communications. Gosfield North Internet Provider, a detailed review. Looking for reliable internet in a rural or suburban area? This review explores Gosfield North Communications, a community-focused internet service provider offering high-speed solutions. Links to their services are in the description below. Gosfield North caters to individuals, families, and small businesses often overlooked by larger providers. A standout feature is their fiber optic internet service, delivering impressive download and upload speeds perfect for streaming, gaming, and working from home. For those in more remote locations, wireless internet solutions are also available, extending coverage to hard-to-reach areas. Beyond speed, Gosfield North shines in customer service. They're known for accessible, knowledgeable, and local support, ensuring quick resolution of any issues. Pricing is competitive, with various packages tailored to different needs, from casual users to families with multiple devices online. Adding to their appeal, Gosfield North provides additional services like VoIP phone solutions and home security monitoring, creating a convenient one-stop shop for home connectivity needs. Their commitment to local communities is further demonstrated by reinvesting in infrastructure to improve and expand their network. If larger providers haven't delivered consistent performance in your area, Gosfield North might be the perfect alternative. However, a potential drawback is their limited coverage area, so availability is key. In conclusion, Gosfield North Communications is an excellent option for rural and suburban residents seeking reliable, fast, and community-focused internet service. They blend modern technology with strong customer support and a commitment to local needs. Be sure to check the description for links to their packages and availability information. If you have experience with Gosfield North, please share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.